Hey guys, so many AI models came into the market these days, and we are reviewing almost everyone like Claude Code, DeepSeek, or Kimi K2.7. But if it left, please let me know in the comment section. Now, another big model got free, and you can use it directly into VS Code. And the big model that I'm going to talking about is DeepSeek version 4 Flash. As we talked about a second ago in our previous video, the AI landscape is changing fast. But this new AI model is completely free and you can use it directly into VS Code without any CPU, GPU or any API key. So make sure to watch the video till the end because in this video I'm not going to tell you about the basics of DeepSeek again because we have already discussed this all the stuffs in our previous videos. If you haven't watched that video, make sure to check out our description where I provided the link. And if you already watched that video, so without wasting time, let's get started. So first what you have to do is simply go to your VS Code. Now what you have to do is simply go to your marketplace. Then here search for Cline. So I have already installed. So let me just show you. Okay, so just search for Cline and here you can see here is the client. Click on it and here you can see I have already installed it, so it will look like this. Click on it and now what you have to do is simply go to this setting part and then in the API provider search for client. Okay, then here just come below. Okay, and here in the model recommended and free, just click on free and here you got two models that are free right now, that is step 3.7 version and the second is DeepSeek version 4 Flash. So just click on it and it will select it. Now click on done and here you can see just below the DeepSeek's version 4 Flash is selected. So now as you can see it start thinking and it responds properly. Now you can see it not only think and responds but also it fetch my all the resources that I am using in this workspace. Here you can see it fetches all my extent. Here you can see in my workspace all the files that I have available. It fetches all the files. So you can choose or you can just fix everything here if you want. And here you can see I am using DeepSeek version 4 Flash. So guys, that's all about today's video. I'm not going to do practical or creating a whole landing page. Okay, if you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe. And this is a very short and informative video, so make sure to follow us. And for upcoming AI updates, make sure to hit the bell icon to all so that you got the notification as soon as possible. So see you in the next video guys. Happy coding.